When it comes to barbecue, the right side dishes can elevate a meal from good to unforgettable. Side dishes are not just accompaniments, they play a crucial role in balancing flavors and textures. The richness of smoked meats and tangy sauces can be beautifully complemented by fresh, crunchy salads or hearty, savory sides. Think of this video as your guide to creating a well-rounded barbecue experience that tantalizes all the senses. Each dish we explore will not only enhance the taste, but also contribute to a visually appealing feast, making your next gathering a hit with family and friends. Classic coleslaw is a staple side dish that brings a delightful crunch and creaminess to any barbecue spread. The combination of shredded cabbage and carrots offers a refreshing texture that contrasts beautifully with smoky tender meats. The real magic lies in the tangy dressing, which balances out the richness of barbecue sauces. A well-prepared coleslaw not only enhances the overall flavor profile, but also adds a pop of color to the table. Whether served as a side or a topping for pulled pork sandwiches, coleslaw is an essential element that harmonizes flavors and elevates the dining experience. Grilled corn on the cob is a sweet, smoky addition that perfectly complements any barbecue feast. The slightly charred exterior adds depth and enhances the natural sweetness of the corn. This versatile side can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways. Traditional butter slathered on top is just the beginning. You can elevate the flavor by adding crumbled cheese, a sprinkle of chili powder, or fresh herbs. Each variation transforms the corn into a star-side dish, appealing to both the eyes and the palate. It's a simple yet delicious way to celebrate the flavors of summer. Baked beans are a heartwarming classic that embodies the essence of comfort food, making them a beloved choice for barbecues. Their rich, hearty texture pairs well with smoky meats, enhancing the overall meal experience. The delightful combination of sweet and savory flavors, thanks to ingredients like brown sugar, molasses, and bacon, creates a harmonious taste that guests crave. Baked beans are not just a side dish, but a staple that adds substance and warmth to your barbecue spread. Whether served in a bowl or as a topping, they complement grilled foods beautifully, making every bite memorable. Potato salad is the quintessential side dish that brings versatility and a refreshing balance to any barbecue meal. This dish can be customized in countless ways, from creamy variants with mayonnaise to tangy options featuring vinaigrettes or mustard. The starchy potatoes provide a wonderful contrast to the rich, smoky flavors of grilled meats, making every bite enjoyable. Adding fresh herbs, crunchy vegetables, or even hard-boiled eggs enhances the texture and flavor profile. As a classic barbecue staple, potato salad ties the meal together, ensuring guests have a light yet substantial complement to the heartiness of the grill.